Hi, good day everyone. I'm your car kuya for Automobilico. Alright, today we're going to talk about car registration. What is car registration? Car registration usually ginagawa po yan every year. It depends on the plate ending of your car. You need to do your car registration every year and it will depend on the plate ending of your car. For example, if your car plate ending is number 1, you should register January. Correct? Another example would be kung car ending naman na plate number niyo is 2, so you should register February. Yung second digit naman after the last digit, of course, yun naman yung week kung kailan nyo dapat ipaparehistro or yung deadline ng registration ng kotse niyo. Pag 1, 2, 3, that means you have to register on the first week of the month of your registration. Meaning to say, kung ending plate number ninyo is 1, tapos yung ending plate number ninyo is, middle plate number ninyo is 1 din, dapat mag-register kayo sa January first week pa lang. Otherwise, mape-penalty kayo ng 300, 500 pesos for a weekly penalty. Pero pag yung January nyo, yung 1, naging February na, yung registration ninyo, yung penalty is 1/2 of your registration. Registration usually is done every year, pero pag brand new yung kotse ninyo, yung first 3 years ninyo, kumbaga nakarehistro na kayo. Alright? Car registration na meron sa Automobilico. Okay, of course, yung number 1, yung car registration. You can come to us and we can help you with your registration assistance. Number 2, pwede namin yung change of ownership yung kotse ninyo. You can also come to us. Number 3, anything basta related sa registration, sa kotse ninyo, kapalpakan sa mga papeles ninyo, you can come to us. Ang tanong nyo is, gaano katagal ba magparehistro ng sasakyan? Usually, half day lang yan. However, when you go to LTO, maraming mga process yun. May smoke emission, may pipila kayo sa counter, i-stencil yung kotse ninyo, kung ano-anong steps yung gagawin niyo. Pero usually, half day, pag minamalas kayo, 2 to 3 days. Pero yun ang kagandahan. That's why we're offering this service. Kasi when you come to us, it's usually half day lang. And you don't have to do anything. You just send us your OR and CR, i-viber nyo lang sa amin. That's it, pansit. Ano yung kailangan na dokumento kung gusto nyo na magparehistro ng kotse? Napakasimple. OR and CR lang. Kami na bahala sa lahat. Smoke emission testing, stencils, at kung ano-ano pa mga kailangan ng LTO, kami na lahat. So, you just get in touch with us. That's it, pansit again. Okay, bakit kailangan nyo si Car Kuya or si Automobilico registration needs? Kasi, kung kayo mismo yung gagawa ng magpaparehistro or magpapatransfer ng sasakyan ninyo, gagastos na kayo sa gasolina, gagastos kayo sa mga stencil, yung oras ninyo, gugugol kayo ng oras, tapos mag-hire pa kayo ng driver. So, yun, at least dito, one-stop shop lang kayo, or CR, i-viber nyo lang sa amin, then we will take care of everything for you. Auto mo, lakad ko. Yes, normally you need to bring your car for registration, for the smoke emission testing, etc., etc. However, if you come to us and talk to us, we'll make things easier for you. Natanong nyo ako si Car Kuya, magkano yung registration ng sasakyan ninyo? If you want to find out, usually nandun yan sa old registration mo, nandun yung amount. It's normally around 2,000 to 3,000 pesos. Yun yung sa mga maliliit na kotse. However, kung malalaki yung kotse ninyo, it's usually around 4 to 6,000. Yun yung registration pa lang. Pero meron pa yan nakadagdag na smoke emission testing. Meron pa yung more or less around 1,000 and another 1,200 for the TPL insurance. So yun, idagdag din lang na idagdag yun. Ano naman additional na payment niyo for Automobilico services car registration? So we charge you a service fee depending on the task that you want us to do. Pero usually, yung fee namin na yun is for you guys na hindi na mag-hire. Instead of you guys hiring a driver, nababayaran nyo ng daily pay nila, at saka yung gasolina ninyo na back and forth na ubod ng mahal, at pangatlo, yung oras na gugugulin ninyo para pumunta sa LTO at magutom kayo at matrouble kayo at mag-alala pa kayo at ma-stress pa kayo. Yun yung kagandahan kung saan may dadalahin yung mga car registration and transfer of ownership ninyo.